Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. So we're gonna draw an oval. And then what shape should we use for, so this is the big shape, right? Remember we talked about the big shape, middle shape, and small shape? What would be the middle shape and what would we draw? What shape would we draw?
Circle.
Circle for?
The head.
Okay. So we can draw a circle for the head. So actually in this case, I'm gonna just draw a circle within the smaller circle. Okay, what's another shape that we can draw for the body parts? What else do bees have?
A triangle for the sting.
For the sting, okay. We can draw a triangle for the sting. Okay, what else do we need on this bee?
Maybe rectangles and then circles on the rectangles for the wings.
Yeah, okay. So you can do rectangles for the wings, or you can try triangles. I'm actually gonna do triangles. But you can also do circles if you want. So let's do triangles for now. And let's put a little face on this guy. So let's do two circles to the eyes. And a smiley face. Do bees have legs?
Yes.
Yes. And what shape should we use for the legs?
I'd say very thin rectangles.
Yeah, maybe thin rectangles. So do you know how many legs they have?
6.
That's right. Okay. And then what patterns do bees have?
Black and yellow stripes.
Yes. So they have black stripes and yellow stripes. Okay, so this is pretty much how you draw a bee. So let's practice together. So you draw a circle first. And then you can add a head if you want. Sometimes this is kind of a style choice. You can add a head, or maybe sometimes you can just make the head into the body because it's kind of cute like that. And then for the wings, you can either use triangles. Sometimes I like using circles, like this. And then they have a stinger, so you can put that there. And then you can start adding the details. And then sometimes you can draw the legs if you want. Sometimes you can just leave them off. Sometimes it looks cute without the legs. Just simplifying it down. Okay, I'm gonna give you a minute to keep on practicing bees. I want you to practice it so many times that you can draw it out of your imagination. Write the word bee too, because these are going to be your sight words. So for the wings, you can put a pattern in there. I like to just use straight lines. And then if you want to make it seem like it's flying, you can do streak lines. It's going fast. Okay. Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.